Ducky Dollars review. Hello friends, I am Sid and today I am here to review Ducky Dollars by Dawood Islam and Akhtar Alam, launching on 4th October 2020 at 9 AM EST. Before we get into the review, I request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you are notified when I come up with review videos like this in the future. So let's dive right into the review now. Ducky Dollars is a top tips and tricks to solve your traffic problems and get unlimited free traffic to your links. Remember, this is not your typical info product on social media marketing. Here you will learn this never seen before method about a top secret site hardly any marketers are using. You can add multiple links to your social media profile and also send traffic to affiliate offers from the social media accounts without getting blocked or banned. In a nutshell, with Ducky Dollars, you will learn how the top secret site will transform your social media marketing results. It's an easy to follow step-by-step video training, and you can list multiple affiliate links on your profile pages and thereby send traffic from any platform directly to your affiliate links without getting blocked or banned. Let's face it, social media marketing is actually very easy, but you need to learn how to do it effectively and by using the right tools. There are so many different ways to get it wrong and so many different ways that people usually fall into. Ducky Dollars will finally be able to unlock the secrets into doing social media marketing the right way. If you are prepared to put in the work, you will succeed certainly. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme and you will need to put in some work to see the results. But if you are ready to take action, you will certainly see good results by following the training that Ducky Dollars has to offer. So let's hear from Dawood himself as to how Ducky Dollar works and how you can take advantage of it and earn good commissions by using the power of social media.
Okay, so just a very quick overview of what you can expect to find in Ducky Dollars in this very quick demo. I'm here in the members area. Obviously there's a welcome here from me and also from my business partner Akhtar Alam, or at least there will be when she records it. Just before we do that, as usual with these things, you know, most people I think at this stage probably do know who I am, but if you're brand new you won't do. So obviously you will have seen the sales page, you'd have seen there's some income proofs on it. I just want to do a quick update in real time here. I'm just going to go over to my Warrior Plus account and I'm just going to like go in and out of a page just so you can see that this isn't like a screenshot or anything like that. Just bear with me while it just updates. There we go. There's some recent earnings and there is bang up to date. So we're here on the 16th of September. My income, as you can see, in the last 30 days is $25,450 in the last 5 days, 5,535. You can see I've got earnings yesterday and today. So the stuff that I do works. And you know, I've built this up from zero earnings at the start of 2019. So, you know, I've got to this sort of earnings level in, you know, a year and a half, something like that. So, in fact, less than that, because I've been at this level now sort of since about February of this year. So, just want to show you everything is totally achievable. It is hard work. I'm not going to say that, you know, you can just press a couple of buttons and get this income. But if you're prepared to graft and put in the hours, you know, around your job, you know, around your part-time situation, or indeed full-time, if you're in a position to be able to do that, then, you know, this sort of income figure is very readily achievable to all of those who focus and are persistent and consistent with their efforts. So that said, let's go and have a look at Ducky Dollars, because social media marketing is a very important ingredient of that jigsaw. And if you get it right, you can fast track your efforts to success. So what we've got in Ducky Dollars is we're going to have an overview from me of the entire system, and then I'm going to hand you into the good hands of my colleague Actor, who's going to take you through everything in here, including you know, the crucial top secret places and top secret elements that are part of the Ducky Dollars method. We've then got resources back to me for a conclusion video. All of your bonuses which are on the sales page, you'll find them delivered here, and your upgrades here, and there may be some unadvertised bonuses as well. So everything's nice and compact, very easy to follow training. You know, there's only 8 videos to go through there, plus the overview video. So, you know, you're not going to be swamped with work here. They're all short, easy to follow, over the shoulder videos. I think about 10 or 12 minutes is the longest video in the set. So you know, it's not something that's going to take you hours to master. So I hope very much that you will join us inside this members area, and I look forward to taking you through the training, myself and Actor Alam do, and get you you know, transforming your results with social media marketing.
After that great explanation from Daud about Ducky Dollars and how the system works and can be advantageous for you if you are an affiliate marketer, let's see what you get with your purchase of Ducky Dollars and the cost that it involves. The front end of the product is the Ducky Dollars itself. It costs you $14.95. Here you will learn about the top secret site that will transform your social media marketing results. It's an easy to follow step-by-step video training, and you can list multiple affiliate links on your profile pages and send traffic from the platform directly to your affiliate links without getting blocked. The first upsell is called Ducky Dollars Pro version, and it costs you $37. The Pro version includes powerful training on how to use 3 other social media sites to maximize your results with Ducky Dollars. The next upsell is Steal Our Traffic. It costs you $197, and here you can put your pixel on the sales page of Daud and Akhtar's previous launches and tap into thousands of proven buyers. The next upsell is Reseller Rights, which costs you $37, and here you get reseller rights to Ducky Dollars and sell it as your own product and keep 100% of commissions across the entire funnel. The next upgrade is Done For You campaigns. It costs you $197, and here you get sent 3 Done For You campaigns each and every week. It includes Done For You bonus pages with review videos, product demo, and 10 custom bonuses delivered for you. The 5th upgrade is VIP package. It costs you $37, and you get free VIP upgrades worth $64 each at all 25 of Daud's sites in Make Money Online niche, plus put a banner of your choice in the rotator at all 25 sites on a permanent basis. If you purchase Ducky Dollars through my link, I am offering some great bonuses. You just need to click the first link in the description of this video, and you will be directed to this page where all my bonuses are listed. And on reaching this page, you need to click on any of these blue tabs and make your purchase of Ducky Dollars, and with this you will get all these bonuses. So let's see what bonuses I'm offering. My first bonus is Lindgren's lazy method. My next bonus is a tutorial, the breakthrough. My next bonus is El Bandito, and my next bonus is easy passive paydays. You will get all these bonuses if you purchase Ducky Dollars through my link, which will add even more value to an awesome product, Ducky Dollars. So thank you so much for watching my Ducky Dollars review, and I would say that this product can be a game changer for anyone doing affiliate marketing by using the power of social media. So thank you so much again. Bye.